This is the hilltop of the cave Culleram of the goddess Tanit. We just come from there, and it goes all the way down there. That's where the cave is, and that's the view of it. So we're on top of the cave here. There's this path going all the way down. Quite steep, but beautiful. And then it goes up here, and there is Inara. We do these kind of walks and we have fun, and we clean and we clear and we connect and we expand and we do all our fun time. And this is Pepper, Inara's little baby. Still a puppy, and he's a mix of the local Podenco, which is this dog that is originally from Egypt. They're normally like this with different colors, but white and beige, or completely white. So this one's a bit of a mix with a pointer, I think. Okay. Just sharing a bit of today's mix. Enjoy, you guys.